everybody, welcome to BeingKaylaMay. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla. Today I'm going to do a wash and go routine for you all. I had washed and conditioned my hair prior to starting this video, so please forgive me and please forgive my face mask. I like to do face masks during my wash and go routines. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So here I'm just gonna section my hair. I like to section my hair into 8 sections, 4 on both sides. So right here you're gonna see me pinning up half of my hair, and I'm gonna start to do the bottom sections of my wash and go. So first step of killing a wash and go is just to make sure that you moisturize your hair. I like to do this by first going in with the oil mixture. I use my own oil mixture, but I will leave the link in the description box below to the oils I use. Next, I like to go in with the leave-in conditioner by SheaMoisture. This does a really good job at softening my curls, and when I comb my hair and detangle it with the Denman brush, this just helps to form my curls prior to actually using curl enhancing ingredients. I'm just using it as a step to form my curls before I put in gel in my hair. So next I'll be applying the Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel. I like to apply this using a raking motion throughout my curls. This does a great job at just helping to define my curls after I had just brushed it with the Denman brush. Next, I'm going to do a pinching motion towards the roots of my hair, and that just helps to kind of form my curls better at the roots. And it's really important to do this wash and go routine while you're still in the shower, because if your hair ever gets dry, you can just easily add water to your hair and then continue on to your curl forming techniques. So here I'm just going to show you my curling technique one more time. I'm just going to go in with the oil first. Then I'm going to follow in with a good leave-in conditioner. I'm using the SheaMoisture one. Then I'm going to make sure I enhance my curl by using the curl enhancing smoothie. And then I'm going to lock in all that moisture and that curl pattern by going in with a gel. And the techniques I use to actually curl my hair is I use the Denman brush, and I like to rake my hair and kind of pinch the curls that are closer to my roots. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my hair off camera. Here I'm just going to show you how I continue to form my curls. It's looking pretty good, but I like to add the coil defining jelly by As I Am. I like to make sure I go back in with the brush and define the ends of my hair, the roots, and the front pieces, because for me that's where I have the most difficulty forming my curls. Next, I like to form my baby hairs, because after I wash my hair, sometimes it's really hard to have nice baby hairs after your hair's dried. So I like to go in with a toothbrush and my Got2b glue and just go in and fix my baby hairs. after I slay my edges, I like to go about my day and just let my hair air dry for the rest of the day, and then I diffuse it right before bed. But if you're one of those people that don't like to have wet hair throughout the day, then I recommend waiting at least 2 to 3 hours before you diffuse your hair. And I say that because you want to make your hair form those curls and just sit there and just start to like let those curls settle before you go in with the diffuser, or else you'll have a really frizzy hair. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. If you would like to see me keep my curls throughout the week and just see how I keep my curls popping in my day-to-day life, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll be back with more videos soon.